Welcome to our deep dive into the world of API 16C specifications, focusing on the crucial aspect of weld overlays. Today, we're unlocking the specifics of ring grooves and their vital applications in the oil and gas industry. Let's begin by exploring what API 16C entails. This specification outlines the standards for choke and kill systems used in drilling. Within this framework, Section 6.5 is on weld overlays, specifically the intricacies of ring grooves. Firstly, understanding the application is essential. Weld overlay for ring grooves applies to loose connectors, integral end connectors. Moving on to post-weld heat treatment, this step is critical. End and outlet connectors that feature corrosion-resistant weld-overlaid ring grooves must undergo this treatment. Now, let's talk about hardness testing for ring groove overlays, particularly those utilizing stainless steel filler metal. This testing is conducted as part of the Procedure Qualification Record, or PQR. It involves measuring the hardness within a close proximity of 1/8 inch to the original base material. It's important to note that these requirements do not extend to nickel-based overlays, offering some leeway for materials that naturally exhibit different properties. In conclusion, mastering the specifics of API 16C's weld overlay requirements can significantly bolster the efficiency and safety of your projects. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey through API 16C. We hope this detailed overview provides clarity and confidence as you apply these specifications in your work. For further details, please do contact us.